The Nokia 5G has created a buzz in the smartphone world, and it's easy to see why. Known for durability and reliability, Nokia has once again delivered a device that combines modern features with the brand's classic simplicity. The phone is a perfect mix of performance, style, and affordability, appealing to tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The design of the Nokia 5G is sleek and modern, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and scratches. It feels solid yet lightweight in the hand, offering a comfortable grip for extended use. The buttons and ports are placed intuitively, making navigation effortless. Whether you are gaming, streaming videos, or browsing through apps, the ergonomics of this phone make it convenient for long hours of use. The display is bright, vibrant, and highly responsive. With a large edge-to-edge screen and high-resolution panel, watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing graphics-intensive games feels immersive. Colors are vivid, contrasts are deep, and the screen remains readable under direct sunlight as well as in low-light conditions. This makes the Nokia 5G perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Performance-wise, the Nokia 5G is powered by a capable processor that handles heavy applications, multitasking, and 5G network speeds smoothly. Combined with sufficient RAM and software optimization, the device ensures a lag-free experience whether you are editing videos, running multiple apps, or playing advanced mobile games. Battery efficiency has also been improved, allowing the phone to last an entire day of heavy usage without frequent charging. The camera setup is impressive for its segment. The multi-lens rear camera captures sharp, detailed images in both daylight and low-light conditions. Features like AI-assisted portrait mode, night mode, and HDR make photography enjoyable and easy. The front camera delivers clear selfies and crisp video calls, with natural colors and excellent clarity, making it ideal for social media and video conferencing. One of the most notable aspects of this phone is its 5G connectivity. It is built to take full advantage of high-speed 5G networks, offering faster downloads, smoother streaming, and enhanced online gaming experiences. The robust battery easily supports heavy 5G usage, and Nokia's smart power management helps maintain long-term battery health. The software experience is clean and intuitive. Running the latest Android version with a bloat-free interface, the Nokia 5G provides smooth navigation and easy access to all essential features. Regular updates and security patches from Nokia add extra value and reliability. Additional features like face unlock, fingerprint sensors, and NFC support further enhance the user experience. Overall, the Nokia 5G strikes the perfect balance between durability, performance, and modern technology. It is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable, 5G-ready smartphone without spending a fortune. Nokia proves that it can compete in the modern smartphone market while staying true to its roots, delivering a phone that is fast, stylish, and highly functional.